This is the HD15 VGA Female Crimp Connector. The HD15 Female Crimp Connectors are a fantastic way to repair or construct your own serial, networking, video, or control cables. Using analog with the HD D-sub crimp pins and plastic or metal hoods to create a durable connection for your application. These connectors are made with high-quality materials to ensure longevity. For durable, lasting HD quality, look no further than the HD15 VGA Female Crimp Connector. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.